Wakere kiumia giki nirio munene wa watho Justin Muturi abatie gukorwo na giathi na kamiti ya waki wa nyumba na kamiti ya kigina kia muingi gikaro-ini kia hamwe na thutha wa kwaga gwikinyia ambunge aya makimukuruhania na mihinga iria thirikari ikoretwo igitungio ni magoti.
It is very disappointing to realize that we have a government official who, despite us traversing the whole country, cannot avail himself, not once but twice, to this committee to attend to the greatest conversation currently happening in this country. Unless we are not serious, Chairman, the Attorney General must appear in person.
No thutha wake gwikinyia muthenya wa ira na gutariria haria itemi riake rikinyete uthondeki-ini wa mendekithia ma mawatho, miario yake ikihithuria ugondereru wa mbunge ya bururi hari guthinga mahoro mendekithia-ini ma igoti ria nyumba.
To tighten all the loose ends that to avoid a situation whereby one person using several other people could purchase 10-20 houses and maybe even allow those people to live there on some arrangement. This is possible. Whatever it is the executive may do, they will not make the law. Law is an exclusive function of Parliament under Article 94. And when I view the current Parliament as it is composed, as it is right now, the 13th Parliament, Marame viewed are incompetent. Why? Tolema bypassed so many requirements that were set for by the law.
Mawatho makahitukio, mawatho matariganite na katiba, mawatho mugaru wa katiba, na riu kwoguo ri andu to nginya magithi goti-ini.
Mwena wa mung'ethaniro ni ukoretwo giukirira ruhonge rwa wathani ni kujia mbunge ya bururi na kuminyita migwate. Ataramu wa maundu ma kiuteti makiuga thirikari no iguthie na mbere na kung'etherwo ni macira magoti-ini, mbunge ya 13 itangigarurira na itikire gutua matua itekwigirirwo.
Haria kinyete ngia gucenjia ni gakorwo ikijanjwo ni history oru muno.
Parliament should be very independent. Vati ukore kirogamia yo yenyewe. The bunge vati ukore independent such that no I debate maundu mayo sobari. But what we are witnessing right now, to try witness that soberness of debates, that soberness of coming up with acts of parliament and so on and so forth. Why? Tondu aria engi mararumirira the whips cia executive.
Ona gutweka Muturi ni arataririe uge wa muthia hoka ni uthondeki wa mawatho koragwo moko-ini ma mbunge ya bururi. Ciuria ciigie uge kuma wabici ya munene wa watho gukorwo utekũiguĩka ni ciyumĩrĩtie gukuruhanio gwake mawatho-ini maria ica-ini ikuhi marigĩrĩirie magoti-ini ugikirirwo nganja.
He understands the law very clearly, having served as a magistrate, having served as a speaker of the National Assembly. So thinking the only mundu riu wina deficiency ya understanding ya watho. My only problem is, and my only point to this is, Muturi no have his frustrations, from the current regime. Avesana also advice yake avesana, then the regime, the executive ikara kurumirira those advices, and I think that is his biggest problem right.
Either Attorney General ndarakiaria kana ni araria kaga kuiguo kana ona ni anakiaria akaiguo no agakorwo ndanaheane mataro maria magiriire kwina thina.
Itanya ria thirikari ni ati thutha wa kũngania mawoni na mendekithia kuma kuri muingi na ikundi itiganite, mendekithia ma muthia matigũtũngio muhinga rita rĩrĩ ni magoti. Ngiribotera Kameme TV, ritwa riakwa ni Mubi wa Shige.